Welcome back to the Rhode Show. This morning in the buzz. Oh, all that hustling and bustling of holiday shopping now well underway. But as fun as finding gifts for others, you know, it just can be pretty stressful. It really can. I have to admit, when I go to a crowded mall, I just can't think straight sometimes. And a lot of people actually worry about how much money to spend on certain people. Is it enough or equal to the amount that the other person will spend on them, while other people try to think of ways to be creative and thoughtful while saving money? Or maybe you're the kind of person who just second guesses everything and buys multiple gifts only to decide later which ones to give to who. So no matter which spending personality you have, it can be very difficult picking out the appropriate gift.
Well, we already know that Sarah hasn't started her holiday shopping yet, and
Yeah.
she probably won't start it until after the new year. So, but in all seriousness, do you like spending a lot of money on people, or are you cheap?
That's not nice.
You really put it bluntly there.
Yeah.
Honestly, I think it depends on the person.
Yeah.
I think that there are different levels of appropriateness based on the person, and I also think the better that I know a person, the easier it is to shop for them. And it's not about spending a lot of money, but it's about someone that I can get them something thoughtful, something personal, and it's not a gift card, you know, or not something with a price tag on it. And I also really, I love getting suggestions from my friends, but I also really like being able to take those suggestions and get them something that I know they'll like that isn't necessarily something they asked for, not a book.
I agree with you. It stinks when it becomes like a registry. Like, you know how they have these sites now where you can like register for what you want? Let's just save that for showers and weddings. I think it's a little nuts that we have to constantly you should know the person well enough to be able to come up with something. Don't you think, Pat?
What?
Huh? Are you like glazed over right now?
He just talks and all he hears is noise.
Well, I'm still trying to process Sarah's answer. Well, I don't like to.
You don't like to spend money.
Period.
We know
So
that.
you're cheap.
I am cheap.
Let's just put it out on the table.
Brutally honest, I'm cheap.
Yeah.
But because I think about I don't like the stress of having to this deadline of having to just this one day to get.
Yeah.
To me, the holidays, it used to be about. I've always been like to give gifts, and I mean this, and not get them. I get much more satisfaction about giving rather than receiving.
Yep.
But I would much rather spread out the money that I'd spend on people that I'm around throughout the course of the year doing special things, instead of being like, I gotta do something really crazy and special.
It does become manic, and it does stress you out, especially when you have the list and you're looking at it. Like poor Sarah, probably like, okay, I've got 50 people on the list and I've done 0. And it just, gives you heart palpitations.
And also with Sarah, in case you haven't noticed, she's trying to get a job here on TV. So when you talk about your budget, it's probably pretty small.
Yeah,
right?
It is. I'm
thou.
young and I don't have tons of money to spend. I'm not buying everyone iPads for Christmas, for sure.
Did you hear that? Sarah's friends, now you know what you're not getting.
Sorry.
So do you
Can't afford it.
Do you stick to the, because I'll never stick to a budget. I don't care how much money I have, I'll take that credit card out if I have to. So much for the cheap thing, I'll go crazy with it.
Yeah.
That's not smart.
No.
No.
Budgets are important, but you know what? Let's face it. I've talked to your wife. I've talked to other people about it. It's hard when you've got kids, and all of a sudden, there's something new that they add to the list. And, whether it's from Santa or from you or whoever, and you're like, it's very hard to stick within a budget. I think at Christmas time.
Well,
go ahead.
I was just going to say it's also hard now that technology is such a big factor, because it used to be, when I was growing up, you wanted dolls, you wanted stuffed animals.
Yeah.
Now you want video games, you want Xboxes, you want iPhones and iPads.
They're expensive.
It's so much more expensive that, unless you're just giving one big gift, you can't get your kids everything on their list.
You know what I'm a big fan of?
I gotta ask you what?
The Yankee swap.
You love the
I
Yankee
love
the
Yankee
Yankee
swap.
You love the swap.
I love the funny gifts. You know what I mean?
30 seconds. Who's the most stressful person that you have to shop for, and why?
Oh, my stepfather is really hard to shop for because he never gives me a list. And it's, I usually end up defaulting to a gift certificate with him, which makes me feel terrible, but I never know what he wants. And he won't tell me, and he's tough to guess for. Golf balls. I can get him golf balls.
You hear that, stepdad? Step up, give her a few ideas this time around, all right? Don't stress rush. She's got enough on her mind right now trying to get this job. Good job.
Thank you.
All right.
Average for you.
It's Monday. What do you want? All right. And I don't have to prove anything at this point, so there you go.
Oh, I'm just an established anchor in this
that's ridiculous.
I don't need to prove anything.
No,
I've
we
been
all
on TV for
whatever.
20 years. I've been doing this.
I gotta
I
prove
have
it to my
socks older than you,
bosses.
Sarah.
I got nothing to prove to you, is what I'm saying. All
What
right?
about to me?
Yeah.
Sarah,
You
I
prove yourself
absolutely
to
adore
me.
you. I'll
All
just
right.
say that.
Oh,
All right.
thank you.
Let's go. Move on.
Courtney, take it away.
Trying to think of what I can say after that. I think I will just move forward with our bloggers here. I personally do stay on a budget, but do find the appropriate gift within that. So I'm not just picking what's lower cost, I guess. But we have lots of comments on Facebook. I do want to get to those as well. Let's take a look at foxprovidence.com first. And this first one was from Coasty. He said, I have a really small family, so money is no problem. And then Chris said he always takes time to pick things out, but I tried to stay on a budget. So here's the poll today. We're asking everyone, how do you decide on how much money to spend on people for gifts? A, I set a budget and then search for gifts. B, I buy whatever I feel is appropriate. Or C, I think about what will be spent on me. And that's an interesting take there. It's a little bit of a guilt factor, but we'll see who votes in. Here's Facebook, and Jean said, mostly it's my budget that decides how much I spend. Becky DeStefano says, we don't exchange gifts among the adults. We decided to take what we'd spend and donate it to a charity we feel passionately about. We just buy for the kids and donate the rest. That's a good idea. And Christopher Mormon says, I'm not really worried, just as long as I spend Christmas with my family and a white Christmas. So that's a good hope for him there, but we'll see how you all feel in our poll at the end of the show. We'll have those results then. We're going to go back into the kitchen now with Danielle, and what do you guys have going on?